Hello everyone, +2 here. We are doing Scholarship Calculus 2025, question 3b2. Hence or otherwise, find all real solutions of the following system of equations in exact form. Tangent x over 2, tangent y equals the square root of 2 over 2 minus 1. Tangent bracket x over 2 plus y equals 1 plus square root of 2. All right, so it is related to question 1. I do believe we have to use this tangent pi over 8 equals square root of 2 minus 1. So the first equation is equal to tangent pi over 8, wasn't it? Yeah. And second equation is tangent 3 pi over 8. I don't think we need that one, but I'm just writing it down. So say this is equation 1 and 2. Well, we can rewrite second equation using compound angles. Do you remember this, right? So that formula. So I rewrite this 10x over 2 plus 10y over 1 minus 10x over 2 times 10y, isn't it? And then equals, we know that 10x over 2 plus 10y stays the same, but that one bottom there, 10x over 2 times 10y is 10 pi over 8. Right? And that is, we can change to a number. 10y over 1 minus 10 pi over 8 is the square root of 2 minus 1, right? So square root of 2 plus 1, right? That is, it says 1 plus square root of 2, right? Now, so we can say 10x over 2 plus 10y equals 1 plus square root of 2 times 2 minus square root of 2, isn't it? So we expand this 2 minus square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 minus 2. So that is just simply square root of 2. Hooray. So when you see equation, this is 2, right? So this is from equation number 2. So 1 and 2, I'd like substitute. So say x being 10x over 2 and big Y being 10y, right? So that means equation number 1 is x y equals square root of 2 minus 1. Much simpler this way, right? So this is equation number 1 now. 2 is, what is it? So according to this, x plus y equals square root of 2, right? So we rewrite this. I'm gonna say y equals what? Square root of 2 minus x, isn't it? So therefore, so I substitute this into equation number 1. X square root of 2 minus x, big X equals square root of 2 minus 1, which is a square root of 2x. 2x minus x squared equals square root of 2 minus 1. So this means x squared minus square root of 2x plus square root of 2 minus 1. equals 0, right? Now we can factorize this. Can you see this is minus square root of 2 minus 1 times minus 1, right? So when you expand it, this is minus square root of 2 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel out each other. What left is minus square root of 2. So this equals x minus square root of 2 minus 1 times x minus 1 equals 0. What it means is x equals 1 or square root of 2 minus 1, right? So let's examine when x is 1, which means, so at x equals 1, 10x over 2 equals 1. What does that mean? X over 2 must be pi over 4, isn't it? Tangent to pi over 4 is 1, right? So hence x equals times by 2 on both sides leaves pi over 2. So I'm going to write its coordinates. No, actually not. So do you remember the question says all real solutions in exact form. So this is exact form, pi over 2. So that's cool. And then you have to say 2, let's use a pi, where a is a real number. Okay, so let's find out y, right? Do you remember when x is 1, how much is y? So when x is 1, y is, so this is x, y is square root 2 minus 1, isn't it? So that means, what is y? Tangent to y. So 10y equals square root of 2 minus 1. So that means y equals 10 inverse square root of 2 minus 1. I don't know what that is, so I use calculator. So I got tangent inverse square root of 2 minus 1 equals, I've got 0.3926. So this is approximately 0.39267. So let's say 7. Well, you can't write this because it's asking you to write in the exact form. So something to do with pi. So what you have to do is you have to like try and error. This is my way. So I would go times by, let me think, 4. Well, this is just 1.57. Far from, not far, but it's not a pi. So divide by 4, and then I would try times by 8. Yes, I've got 3.14159, so which is pi. So what it means is this gonna be pi over 8. Okay, so therefore, so like just x, so y must be pi over 8 plus 2b pi. So I'm going to write here where a and b are integers. That's how you generalize it. Okay. So next step, at x equals the square root of 2 minus 1. So let's examine. Oh, yeah, we already found. Oh, this is slightly different, isn't it? So when x is square root of 2 minus 1, what is x? X is tangent of x over 2, isn't it? So 10x over 2 equals the square root of 2 minus 1. So do you remember we found tangent inverse square root of 2 minus 1 is a pi over 8, right? So what it means is therefore x over 2 must be pi over 8, right? So hence x must be times by 2 on both sides leaves pi over 4. So that means in this case, so I will write here. x equals pi over 4 plus 2a pi, right? So then when x is square root of 2 minus 1, then how much is y? So we plug that into the square root of 2 minus square root of 2 plus 1. So y is 1, isn't it? So in that case, y is 1. So what is y? So y is 1 and y is 10, y is 1. Hence, y is pi over 4. Hence, we have to write y equals pi over 4 plus 2 b pi. Yeah. So it's a bit complicated here. So I'm gonna underline. So the answer is first when x is 1, big X is 1, I mean, small x is pi over 2 plus 2a pi, and y is pi over 8 plus 2b pi, where a, b are integers. And second, when big X is square root of 2 minus 1, small x becomes the answer. X becomes pi over 4 plus 2a pi, and y is pi over 4 plus 2b pi. Again, a and b integers. All right, cool. I will see you next time. Bye.